Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add skills and your language skills to your Seek Jobs account. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the last option. Then click on skills at the top and tap on add skills. You should enter your skill and tap on save. So add as many as you would like to. Tap on the add button and type in your skills. As you can see, if you scroll down a little bit, you can find this languages section. So click on add language, type in and tap on save. Make sure that you indicate all of the languages that you speak, so that you will be more appealing to employers. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.